essay which was seen on 17 July 2021 in India, 1 p.m. slot. 9 a.m. slot also, the essay was from my book. This essay is not already there, but similar essays are there. And this is a job essay. And the job topic I had discussed this last week only. So I hope the students have been benefited who took their exam today. That is on the 17th of July. The topic is the increase in people's life expectancy means that they have to work older to pay for their retirement. One alternative is that people start to work at a younger age. Is this alternative positive or a negative development? Now the topic is, everyone knows that people are living longer, longevity has increased. So this means that people have to work till an older age. Work older means till an older age, so that they can save for their retirement or they can look after their retired life. And they have suggested one alternative and asked whether that alternative is a positive or a negative development. Now in such an essay, positive or negative development, you can go one-sided or you can go partial, two-sided. One-sided, you can I have gone one-sided, and I have thought about it that I had very good points for benefits of this positive development. So I made 2 paragraphs from the individual perspective and 1 paragraph from the societal perspective, that this is a positive development. But you can say, while there are a few negatives of this, overall it is positive. Then you can go two-sided, you can write 1 paragraph on the negatives of this. So let's see, I have made it one-sided, this particular essay. But anyways, if you have attempted it with a while sentence and attempted both sides, that is also perfectly okay. In a positive or negative development essay, your essay rests on your introduction. Okay, so as you have made your introduction, if you support it, it's perfectly okay. Now look at what I haven't written it. Indrup has written this essay, and let's go about it. Due to longer lifespan, many people are being forced to work past their retirement age. So some people consider joining the workforce from a younger age. I believe it is not only beneficial for people but also for the society. So this is my thesis statement, that this is beneficial for people and for society. So in a way I have said that it is a positive development. And I have not talked about anything about negative development, so I will not have to make any paragraph on the negatives of this. From the individual perspective, the first advantage of starting work at a younger age is that people can save more money and thus have financial security in the later stages of life. That's a misprint. This ensures that they are not obligated to work during older age, when most people are already suffering from health ailments. Secondly, young people have fewer financial and family obligations than older workers, and thus they are able to prioritize their careers. For example, they might be able to move from one city to another for a promotion, while it might be quite challenging for employees with a family. As a result, they are able to climb the career ladder faster, leading to significantly higher pay packages by the time they retire. In addition, starting a career early means that people have the option to switch careers in later stages of life, as they would be still comparatively younger. This might not be possible past a certain age in life. Finally, companies are also willing to train and invest in younger employees who are likely to stay with them for a longer time as compared to older ones. In other words, people have chances of securing better jobs early in their life. The main advantage from a societal perspective is that, in general, younger employees are fitter and more productive as compared to their older counterparts. Moreover, starting the career earlier means people are established by the time they have families, and thus they are able to devote more time to their children's upbringing. This can in part address issues like smoking, drinking and drug abuse in teenagers, and also rising juvenile delinquency. In conclusion, I would like to reiterate that starting a career early is certainly a better alternative to working older, as it would be advantageous both for the people and the society as well. So you can see this is a one-sided essay, and I have just supported one side that it is a better, it's a very good alternative, it is better, it's a positive development. This alternative that has been suggested is definitely a positive development. So I do not need to go into the negative side of it. And I've added examples also in my essay. This essay has gone almost 340 words, but that's okay. You can make it a bit smaller by removing one or two sentences here and there. The meaning, overall meaning, I hope you've understood. Perfectly okay it would be to say, while there are a few negatives of this, overall it is a positive development. Then you can give the negatives of that, and then that whatever you can think of in that context, and that would also be a good option to go about this essay. So thank you very much for watching patiently.